Let's reverse and go back. Hand your phone down or look down in the VR headset. That is an active volcano eruption in Iceland captured by a 360 camera on an FPV drone. Let's slow down and go again. We're up and away. As we ascend, you can see the vast expanse of the Icelandic landscape stretching out before us. The anticipation is palpable. We are scaling closer and closer to the volcano. I can already feel the heat. There are little lakes of lava forming, and there is ash. The smoke is billowing up, higher and higher. Something is brewing deep underneath the earth crust. In the depths of the heat, layers upon layers of molten lava surrounds us. Iceland sits atop the mid-Atlantic ridge, where the plates are pulling apart. This creates pathways for magma to reach the surface, leading to such incredible displays of lava dancing across the sky. I almost want to touch it like a moth to the campfire flame. It burns when you touch it, but the beauty never extinguishes. The red pulsates into orange and then yellow. Colors so vibrant, humans could never see its true essence. The self-destruction turns into ash. An FPV roller coaster ride, round and round and round like a merry-go-round volcano style. The earth continues to turn as the sun sets and the eruptions continue in this elegant rhythm. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you for joining me on this FPV flight. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.